Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to use Ideogram. You just head over to Ideogram, so it's just ideogram.ai. So essentially what this site allows you to do is generate AI images, and it also shows you a lot of the images that other people generate. Keep in mind that on the right here, it shows you the amount of prompts you have left. So I've already used 2. So I only have 23 left, and that's for free. In order to generate your image, you just click on this top bar. There's different ratios. You can choose to make it a widescreen or a thin screen, or I'll just keep it like this, which is the default 1:1. And you can choose to make it private or public, so whether or not it gets posted to people. So essentially all you have to do is describe anything you want and you can make it into an image. Right over here we also have the categories or the types of images that you can generate. So if you press see all, it shows you all the results. You can also press lucky style to randomize it, and here I'll just write apple, for example. So here I have 4 different images of graffiti style apple. And yeah, it's a really simple and easy tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new.